Open Google Maps and search for your desired location, or you can either use your current location or an area you will be traveling to in future. The easiest way to download it is by going into the option menu by tapping on the three lines icon and tapping on offline maps. Now select your own map at the top of the screen. Drag the area you want to save offline into the blue box. Once you are happy with the map area, tap on download. And the selected area will be downloaded onto your phone.